In the previous video, we have learned to implement dark and light theme in the page, in the single page, and in this video we will learn how to create a dark and light theme that will work in your whole application in Flutter. So this is how it look like. If we turn on the dark mode, it will turn like this, and if we turn off this dark mode, it will be the light theme. And if we go to the next page, you can see here is the light theme, and if we back and turn on the dark mode and again go to the next page, this dark mode is working in the next page also. It means it will work in your whole application. So if you haven't watched the previous video, that will be easy to understand if you watch that. So go ahead and watch. I will put the link in the description. Let's go. At first we have created another file here. One is home.dart and the another is theme controller. In the theme controller we will create a method to change the theme of your application. And first of all, in the pub/spec.yml file we have added a dependency which is called provider. You can simply add from pub.dev this provider dependency. You have to add this, and we could just go to the theme controller. After this we will create a class which name is theme provider which name is change notifier. It will notify your application that the theme is been changed. So after this we will pass the current theme will be the light theme. It means if you open the application, the current theme will be the light theme. And this will, after this we will theme data, and current theme is current theme. It means it will private your theme, it will make your theme private. And after this we will create a method which will be void toggle theme to change the theme. And after this we will pass if current theme is light theme, then if we press the button it will change into dark theme, and if the current theme is dark theme it will change into light theme. It means it will toggle the theme. If current theme is dark, then it will toggle into light, and if current theme is light, it will be toggle into dark. After this we will pass the notify listener here. It means it simply does what is it notify your application that the theme has been changed in your app. So after this we will create a method for light theme which primary source will be color.amber and brightness will be light. And similarly we will create for the dark theme also, just like we have created for the dark. In the dark theme the current color will be deep orange and brightness will be dark. And after this we will go to the main.dart. We have also have to change something here, and in the run app you can see in the after this void main, in the run app, inside the run app we have to call the change notifier widget that we have created in the theme controller, and create will be theme provider. It will provide the theme, light and the dark theme. And in the child we will pass my app, this widget, I mean this my app we will pass here. And in the theme we will pass the provider dot of theme, which will be of the context and which will be current theme. That will be the theme. After this we will go to the home.dart, and here we will create a variable which will be final, and it will provide the theme that we wanted to change, and provider which will be of the context, and current theme will be theme provider dot current theme. Let me close this. And after this in the scaffold we will pass app bar. Here we will pass the text which will be dark and light theme, and after this center title will be true, and in the background color we have to pass this manually because it is needed. Okay, if we don't pass this manually this red color will be disappear, and there will be not showing any color. There will be transparent only, and this red color will be disappear, this app bar color will be disappear. So here we will pass if current theme is light theme, then the app bar background color will be yellow, and if the current theme is dark theme, the background color of app bar will be deep orange. In the body we will pass the column. Inside this children we will pass elevated button for this dark mode, and in unpressed we will call this theme provider the toggle theme. We have created here this toggle theme. We will simply call this in in on pressed, it will toggle the theme into dark and light. Okay, in the child we will pass the text which is dark mode, and simply we will create the this button, next page button. After this elevated button we will create another elevated button. In the on pressed we will navigate, we will create method to navigate into the next page. The next page name will be next page, and after in the child the name will be next page, and after this whole this okay, this home widget. Okay, after this home widget we will create another widget, another page, sorry, another page. We can create by creating the another file also, but we are not doing this because it will be more longer. So we have created another page called next page, and in the scaffold, sorry, first of all we will create a variable just like this. We will just copy this and paste it here before this scaffold, and in the scaffold we will pass a bar. Background color will be simply as like we have passed in upper page. In the it means the current, if the current theme will be light theme, then it will be the color timer, and if the current theme will be dark theme, it will be deep orange. In the title there will be then this next page, and after this okay, it's done, sorry. And if we save this in the main dot, sorry, not in the only main dot, everywhere we have to make sure that you have import all these package, need a necessary package, so there will not be any error. And if we save all this is created, and if we go to the next page, here is also the dark theme. And if we come back to this page, and if we off the dark mode and again go to the next page, here is the light theme. It means this dark and light theme will work in our whole application. Okay, thank you so much.